Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sunandita. I'm Sunandita. Hope you all are fine. So friends, summer आ गई है. Um, in this summer season, we face many skin problems due to sun rays. Personally, in this season, I face many skin problems like acne problems and स्किन से बहुत ही एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल रिड्यूस होती है. So I make this video. I think this video will help you. In this video I gonna show you a face pack which is prevent pimples problems and also help to reduce extra oil from your skin. So before I start my face pack, I give you the reminder that subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you are new in my channel. So let's start my face pack. At first I take some Multani Mitti. Then I add some sandalwood powder. Then I add honey. One teaspoon honey. After all this, I take 1 teaspoon haldi powder. Now I take lemon, half lemon. Lemon juice prevent acne and also help to reduce oil. Now mix all the ingredients and make a smooth paste. Before applying this paste, clean your face with a proper cleanser or a face wash. I use here EverYouth Naturals Tulsi Turmeric acne prevent face wash. This face wash is very much useful and it also prevent acne and pimples problem. So I love this face wash. So now I apply this paste. I also covered my neck area. after 15 to 20 minutes, then you can see the face pack become dry. And now I clean this face pack from my skin with normal water. I don't use any face wash to remove this face pack. So let's clean my face. For best result, apply this pack 1 or 2 times in a week. Male and female both can apply this pack. This is best for oily skin and normal skin. Those who have dry skin, don't use this pack. So like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you find something new, or if you try this remedy, then tag me on Instagram, or you can comment me. Press the description box arrow and see the all description about this video. Follow me on Instagram, where I upload many IGTV videos. Those are really exciting. So see you soon in my next video.